The iPhone Air actually doesn't feel like a gimmick. It offers pro-level performance and a powerful 48 megapixel camera along with a bright 6.5-inch display in a super thin and light design. The jury is out on the battery life, but overall this is a promising new iPhone design. The iPhone Air is one of those phones that you have to hold to believe. It is super thin and light. It feels super sturdy in your hands thanks to the titanium design. But I know what you are thinking. What about the compromises? There's not a ton here. You get a big and bright 6.5-inch OLED display, powerful A19 Pro chip, and a versatile 48 megapixel camera with 2x optical zoom. And Apple promises all the battery life too. Will be judged of that in our testing. There are some trade-offs when you compare the Air to the best phones. You don't get an ultra-wide lens, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max have better cameras. But for $999, the iPhone Air could hit that sweet spot for lots of buyers who want incredible portability paired with pro-ish performance. The good news is that the iPhone Air promises all-day battery life, but you shouldn't expect the same level of endurance as the regular iPhone 17 and 17 Pro or Pro Max. Apple crammed a pretty large battery inside the iPhone Air, though we don't know the capacity yet since Apple doesn't publicly disclose battery sizes, as it moved several key components to the camera bump area, which Apple now calls the plateau. And thanks to the adaptive power mode in iOS 26, the iPhone Air should be able to help you conserve juice over time as it learns your battery consumption patterns. The iPhone Air is rated for 27 hours of video playback, which is 3 hours less than the iPhone 17 and 12 hours less than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple sells a slim MagSafe battery pack for the iPhone Air that brings the endurance to 40 hours, but to me that defeats the purpose of carrying around a thin and light phone. The iPhone Air is more than just another thin phone. It promises flagship level performance in a design that feels almost impossible. I am particularly impressed with how durable this handset feels, and I'm sure there will be lots of band tests coming out soon to put Apple's claim to the test. For me, the battery life of the iPhone Air will make or break this phone. It may not have the endurance to make our best phone battery life list, but the Air will have to last through most of your day to be worth $999.